Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here it is, quite a bit late, about to wrap it up for the night. Quick impromptu masterclass live video. Where are you watching? Let me know. What part of the world are you watching from in the comments section down below. Connected to 147 million people just on Facebook alone. Of course, platform allows you to learn the things that you need to do in case the stuff hits the fan. Will you be ready? You know how to grow your own food. You know how to create, how to generate your own heat, how to turn recycled waste into biofuel to keep warm, pennies on a dollar. Huh? You know how to do all this stuff? If not, follow my channel, giving away the knowledge. Knowledge is power. Remember that. Let's get into this masterclass. I'll let that helicopter go by. Nothing like a live video. Oh man, it's sprinkling a little bit. My hair is getting wet. It's gonna curl up. What is today? Tuesday. I think today is Tuesday. The time escapes me. All right, let's get into this master class. But first, I gotta show you. Got a chance to put the sign up today. Hold up. Look at it. Oh, look at the open. Oh, yes, it is. It's open. And those are the hours. Oh, late this morning. You can't get any fresher. The freshest eggs in the city. The Pampered Hens out of the Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Oh, look at that. Oh, small batch. This is the Freedom 3 and the Freedom Dozen. Freedom 3 and the Freedom Dozen. Freedom 3 and the Freedom Dozen right here at Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Check the menu. And Whitney Houston had a song and it said, for every win, someone must fail. Write that down. For every win, someone must fail. What does that mean, Farmer Mike? Well, failure is the process. Failure is a process. To do this, let me go back here. You know how long it took us to do this? To figure this out, right? You know how many birds we lost just in transport? You know? Years. It took almost 3 years to get to this point, to get to this moment. But we learned so much. Failure is the process. And had we not gone through that, and it's sprinkling right now, we wouldn't be ready. We wouldn't be able to weather the storm. Farmer Mikey! Oh, can I go in? Can I go in? We wouldn't be weathered. We wouldn't be where we are today. We've learned so much. We've learned so much and built a sustainable neighborhood model. I know what you're thinking. Let me go back to this poster. Let me go back, not this video right here. I know what you're thinking. The fresh eggs, the real food from real chickens, true food, true transparency. And, and so we look, our price is going to be up there. We'll never be able to compete. We'll never be able to compete with the grocery store. That's not what we're trying to do, okay? That's not what we're trying to build sustainable systems at the real price of food. Now, why is Farmer Mike? I'm about to go in. Are you ready? Why is Farmer Mike call it the Freedom Dozen? Miss Bonnie Jackson's watching. You got to go to work tomorrow. You're up way too late. Oh, I'm about to go to church on this masterclass. Before I go in, Pablo was catnapped. Pablo the farm cat was catnapped. Pablo the farm cat was catnapped. And Farmer Mike, come here. Track the thief. Come here. He wants some food. Come here. Farmer Mike, track the thief. Come here, Pablo. And he wants me to go back there and get him some Friskies. I'm not doing it, Pablo. Pablo was catnapped. Farmer Mike tracked the thief and got him back. Check out that video on the channel. Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Weathering the storm as it starts to rain, as it's sprinkling on Vine. Let me get back to this master class. So we talk about the price of real food, okay? And we talk about true transparency. And we talk about Pablo the farm cat. Sustainable systems. He's so happy he had 3 cans of Friskies. Oh, you're just so happy, Pablo. Pablo, go to bed. Pablo likes that. Pablo likes that. Pablo likes that. Yeah, Pablo. Yeah, Pablo. Did we lose a chicken? Did we lose a chicken? Oh, we're good with chickens. Good. Some eggs. Good, Pablo. Ugh. All right, that's Pablo. No, we haven't lost any chickens. Hey, that's the neighborhood. They love us, right? Because we built this. We built this from just an empty lot. So our success is a community success, and they embrace us. And so when we talk about freedom, the freedom line, the freedom eggs, and what does that mean? We're talking about organic systems. We're talking about where ethical systems. We're talking about where a chicken doesn't have to live its whole life in a cage. The freedom doesn't. The freedom to get out and free range, right? Independence in every bite, right? Knowing that it's being treated with care, knowing that we're building community pride, knowing that we can feed a neighborhood, we can feed blocks on this particular model. And so we pay for that. We pay for the freedom to have the choice, to have real food. The freedom to be able to even have the choice to have real food, right? Because you go to the grocery store, you're not getting any of this. You're getting some stuff from another country. No transparency. I ask you this, do you know where your eggs, what country they come from? Do you know what the chickens look like? Do you know what they're fed? Can you visit them? Do you know any of these things? If not, those chickens aren't free. And so that's why we call it the freedom dozen. The freedom dozen. The freedom dozen. Because it's significant. It's about neighborhood pride. It's about community pride. So you're not just buying eggs. You're buying in the community real food from real chickens. Right here at Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives. And true transparency is knowing where your food comes from, ethical, sustainable systems. Freedom. Remember that going into next week and holiday Monday. Farmer Mike had to give it to you another epic master class. Even at the small scale, we're living in our spirit. We're living in a dream. Real freedom is also inspiring others. I hope you enjoyed this master class. Pablo, any last words? Pablo, what are you licking? You had 3 cans of Friskies and you haven't brought me any mice today, or yesterday, or the day before that, or the day before that. Pablo, there was a cage back there that I had open, and Pablo went in there, and I slammed the door and said, and I left him in for like 10 minutes. And then I opened a can of Friskies. And then I opened the door and let him out, and he was, he gave me the look. Pablo, show him the look. He gave me the look. Pablo, show him the look. Show him right here. Show your fans the look. He gave me the look. All right, Pablo. Go to bed, Pablo. Go to bed. Night, go. Night. Go. Night, night. Going. Pablo, how to, I taught him how to go to bed. So see how he takes off. He knows. Just like the chickens know when it's time to eat, when it's time to come in and all that. But that's another video.